Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I want to show you this amazingly nice 2019 Heartland Gateway. This is a model 3230CK. As you can see, this thing has got 3 slides, technically 4 if you count the telescopic, but that is the bedroom slide, and it is telescopic. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. That big storage right there is a pass-through storage. It goes all the way across. You got nice landing gear on this thing. It is power landing gear, 5th-wheel camper, guys. This thing is awesome. As you can see, the paint, the body is in excellent condition. It's got great tires, aluminum alloy wheels. This is a 50 amp unit. It's got 2 spare tires, roof access over here, guys. So we're going to go around to this side. As you can see, another slide over here. This is your entertainment area. Awning is in excellent condition. This thing is loaded, guys, with LED lighting inside and outside. There's the pass-through storage. There's the other spare tire I was telling you about. It's got outdoor speakers, guys. Look at the LED lighting all the way around. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. It's got aluminum steps to go inside. Sammy, open that up. Show us that outdoor kitchen real quick. Just going to get a glimpse of it for the sake of time. And you've got yourself a sink and a mini fridge. All right, this thing has weather guard. Again, model 3230CK. This thing is nice. So as soon as we step in, you got some brand spanking new Thomas Paine furniture. You got a 3-seater over here. This turns into a sleeper. You got your dual recliner right here. You have dinette over here with the extendable leaf on that. And on this side, you have your television with an electric fireplace. Super cool. Television by power. Goes up and down. I love that option. Very easy to use, guys. Slide options over here. Exterior awnings over here. I want to show you the stainless steel refrigerator and freezer, guys. This thing is awesome. It's got your display over here. Remember, this is a 50 amp unit, dual AC. Check out the LED lighting all the way across. LED lighting over here. Ceiling fan. LED lighting up in the slides as well. This thing is super cool, guys. Super cool. You got a nice 3-burner Suburban stove over here. Plenty of counter space with your sink. A beautiful high point stainless steel microwave. Plenty of storage, guys, all the way around. Updated lighting, vents, you name it, guys. Look at all this storage all the way around, even up at the top. Let's head upstairs, and we're going to go into the bedroom. But before we do, we got another closet right here. Into the bedroom, as you can see, with the telescopic slide out. Plenty of room. I just want to get a shot of the floor. Look at all of that room you have between your bed and over here. Now, this is a super cool option that I really like. You open up this little door right here. Check that out. It's closed. Look at that handsome devil. Open that, and then check this out, guys. Hidden television. Love it. All right, got some blackout curtains over here. Plenty of storage over here. Washer and dryer hookups over here. Central vacuum. All right, guys and gals, look how massive this closet is. It's bigger than some apartment closets. I'm not even joking. This thing is huge. So, speakers throughout. Another air conditioned unit up here. And then the bathroom. You got a nice vanity, more storage, glass enclosure, good size commode, more storage over there as well, guys, with your power roof vent, LED lighting throughout. Guys, do not miss out. What's up, Sammy?
How's it going?
Slide controls over here for the bedroom. Very easy to use, guys. This is not one of those intimidating campers that have 1,000,001 options. It's very easy to use. Look at the beautiful LED lighting. At nighttime, this thing just looks amazing. So if you guys are interested in this thing, hit us up. My name is Chris. This is CGM Auto Brokers, and we can be reached at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina. We could also be seen on our website, which is www.cgmautobrokers.com. heartlandgateway.com. We could help with your financing needs, guys. If you are interested in this thing, hit us up by one of those ways. Even leave a comment in the comment sections. If you like this video, guys, please like, please subscribe. One more time, 2019 Heartland Gateway 3230CK. Don't miss out. If you guys are interested, it won't last long. I don't like putting the prices on YouTube, but it'll be on RV Trader, it'll be on our website, it'll be on our Facebook. So hit me up, guys. Thanks for watching.